Hi, I'm Clay Shears, and in this video I show you how to get started with the Intel distribution for Python. This set of optimized Python packages and tools will help you get quicker results from your data science applications using the Intel hardware you currently own. Intel distribution for Python is a set of high-performance Python packages for data science and machine learning. It contains accelerated versions of packages such as NumPy, SciPy, and scikit-learn. If you're using Python for machine learning, you could see huge performance increases by using the Intel distribution for Python. Our packages are drop-in code compatible with community versions of the NumPy and SciPy ecosystem. Since the code optimizations best utilize the Intel hardware that is available, no code changes are required. To try Intel distribution for Python, you can download it from multiple sources. In this video, we focus on getting it from Conda. Using this command, add a Conda channel to your environment. Once you've added the channel, it will then be part of your Conda configuration. This means that when you install NumPy, SciPy, or scikit-learn, you will get the accelerated versions. Using this command, you can check to see if everything is installed correctly. Here you can see the list of Python packages that are loaded and are now available to optimize your applications. Please refer to our installation guide and download the Intel distribution for Python in the links provided. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and haven't seen any of our other videos, subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. You can also connect with other developers and enthusiasts in the comments. See you all next time.